all safe at home. Now, I have an easy recipe for you all to make at home. These are called Phodhis. These Phodhis can be made with any vegetable you like, but usually it's made using potato, brinjal, chow chow, banana and sweet potato. And here I've chose potato, chow chow and brinjal. Usually I don't like to eat brinjal much, but in this recipe it tastes good. And people who don't like to eat brinjal will start liking it after trying this recipe. These Phodis are Konkani region's favorite snack. Whenever I go to my Mamama's place, she makes these for me as I love them. These Phodis are very tasty and easy to make as well. And I learned this recipe from her. So without wasting much time, let's start.
First, let's peel the skin of the vegetables. Be careful while using the peeler and make sure your fingers are away from them. Put the potatoes in a bowl of water or else it will tend to become dark. Now we need to peel the chow chows. It's very difficult to peel chow chows, but after peeling them and after cooking them, it will become very yummy. Now we need to cut the easy brinjal. First let's clear this mess. Now cut this brinjal into thin slices. Not too thin, not too thick. Now let's put them into the water or else they'll turn dark. Next, we need to cut the difficult chow chow. It's a little slippery to hold but easy to cut. Let's put them into the water. Now potato. For holding it easily, I am cutting off the base. Now cut them into thin slices. Now we're done with cutting. Now let's drain the vegetables and add them into the bowl. I am adding half teaspoon salt and mix them nicely. Now in a clean plate, let's add half cup rava, salt to taste, quarter teaspoon turmeric. Now add 2 teaspoon chili powder and mix them nicely. Take the slices and coat them nicely with the rava mixture. Make sure the rava is coated evenly. Repeat the same process with the other slices too. Grease the pan or tawa with little oil. Phodis are very healthy as it uses very little oil. Let's place the vegetables. Add a few drops of oil on the top. Let's place the lid on the top and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, splash little bit of water on top. Flip it over so it cooks on both the sides. It's a little difficult for me to flip it over, so I am using two spatulas. Flip, 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 flip. Looks like it's nicely cooked. It's finally done. Let's plate it.
If you like this recipe, do like, share and subscribe. Until my next video, take care and bye.